Hi everybody, and welcome to the second tutorial from FIBO Group on the Metatrader 4 platform. In this lesson, we're going to run through the process of executing trades in Metatrader 4. Looking at the application, you will see a new order tab up the top of the screen, and if you click it, the new order box appears. You can perform the same function by right-clicking the mouse and choosing Trading, and then going down and clicking New Order. In the order box, and you can see a symbol drop-down menu where you can currently see the currencies that you have displayed in the chart. But you can choose from the drop-down menu any of the currencies available for trading. There is also a volume drop-down box which can be set to the size of the trade you would like to place. For example, 1.00 means one full lot. And if you look at the pound-dollar currency pair as an example, it means that you are trading 100,000 units of the base currency, which in our case is the US dollar, and each pip is worth $10. You can also trade a fraction of a contract, such as 0.05, which is a 20th of the size of a full lot, and means each pip movement in our example will now be worth 50 cents. If you don't see the size of the trade you would like to place, you can easily put it in manually, for example, 0.3. And now this will give you a trade equal to 3/10 of a full lot. Below the volume box, you have the stop loss option for minimizing your losses, as well as the take profit option, which will automatically close your order when the desired level is reached. In the chart on the left, you can see we have the buy price of the currency in blue and the sell price in red. And when you start to click the arrows on the stop loss here, you can see that it will move up relative to the buy and ask prices, which gives you a good visual aspect of where to place a stop loss. As with the volume box, you can manually enter any stop loss numbers that you want to into the box itself. The take profit option here also acts as the same functionality as the stop loss option. Moving down, and we can see the type drop-down menu, and we can see that it's written there, instant execution, which is chosen by default. And if I choose to place a trade, it will be executed immediately with the current prices that you can see. Although you can fill the order at the price requested most of the time, sometimes the market is moving so fast, and this is not possible. A little bit lower, you can see a checkbox which is called Enable Maximum Deviation from the quoted price. And if you check this checkbox, you can then choose the amount of pips here that the market can slip before your order is not filled, which is a really handy function. So for example, we can enter 5 pips. If we now click the buy or sell button, our trade is executed, and then we can press OK. Going back to the order drop-down menu type, if we choose not instant execution, but pending order, you are then able to choose the type of order, such as a buy limit, a sell limit, a buy stop, or a sell stop. And then you're able to enter at which price here you would like the trade executed. Below this, you can choose the date at which time you would like the trade to continue until. Then you can now click the place button here to lodge the order. Thank you for watching our tutorial on Metatrader 4, and I'll see you in the next lesson.